Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the right microphone and placement because that defines your sound quality. Plug the mic into the camera or recorder, set your input to line or mic as required, and then set gain so peaks hit around -12 to -6 dB. Once done, record a 10 to 20 second test clip and listen through closed-back headphones. This confirms noise, placement, and clipping. If you hear wind or handling noise, adjust position or add a windscreen before proceeding. Next, focus on synchronization and constant monitoring so you avoid time-consuming fixes later. If you're using an external recorder, create a sharp sync point with a clapper or a loud hand clap, or enable timecode if available. That makes alignment simple in your editor. Make sure you monitor continuously with comfortable headphones and watch for distortion or a rising noise floor. Also record a backup track on the camera or a second recorder at lower gain, so you finally import and align your audio in the editor. Then trim silences and excess room sound to tighten pacing because clarity matters. Apply corrective EQ to remove low rumble and a gentle compressor to even levels, followed by normalization around -3 to -6 dB LUFS for platform consistency. Export high bitrate WAV or lossless files and also render a delivery MP3 if needed. If you notice hiss or intermittent problems, try spectral repair or, when practical, re-record the problematic lines to preserve quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.